Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2022 John Deere 1025R. Kind of a unique tractor. This has a 120R quick detach front loader with the John Deere style quick attach bucket. However, this is a self-leveling 120R. Don't see a lot of these, and it's because it's a very expensive option from what I understand on an H120. Much heavier built loader. I actually kind of really like it. Works very, very nice. This tractor is going to have the later style VersaTurf Carlisle tires on it, which is kind of a play on the R14Ts. Very nice tire, suitable for turf and for construction style work at your property, and it's not going to tear up. Tractor has like 256 hours on it. This tractor is a 22, sold new April the 25th of 2022, and it has Powertrain warranty left on it until April the 23rd of 2028. It is going to come with a 54D Auto Connect deck. Tractor is in beautiful condition. We're going to start here underneath the hood, and we're going to take it completely around this tractor. I'm going to go ahead and take the engine key, push in on the little tab here. It releases the hood latch. Under the hood is going to be powered by a 3-cylinder John Deere diesel engine. It's actually a Yanmar. These are like 23.6 horsepower, I believe they are. Very popular tractor. But we did go over to our local dealer, and we did pick up a full set of filters, and we've changed it. Engine oil, fuel, hydrostatic, air filters have all been changed. We have washed, waxed, and greased this tractor. Tractor is in beautiful condition. This tractor new today, $24,000-ish, $25, right around there. Very expensive tractor, but they are a Cadillac of the subcompact line. Should be a 54-inch front John Deere style quick attach loader bucket. You can see all the green paint is still on it. Very clean. 120R self-leveling loader. It does have on it here the deck bracket so that you can actually drive over, but what you can do also is you can pick that deck up to wash it out with your loader. It allows you to quick attach right into that, put the loader up where you can work on it at, and service your deck. Very nice. And again, it's a 54D Auto Connect deck. The gentleman did primarily use this tractor just to mow with. Factory top link is on the back. It does have the toolbox option, 4-ways, folding ROPS, 540 PTO, and Category 1 3-point hitch. I'm going to head to this side. Ben's going to go to that side. We are going to show you over here. You are going to have your selection of mid and rear, or rear PTO, high and low range, mower deck height adjustment, joystick loader control, tilt steering wheel, and I stand corrected, 234 hours. The other 1025R I have for sale has 256. Throttle pedals are down there on the floor. You do have cruise control. You can see how nice and clean the tractor is. It does have the armrest package. I'm going to go ahead, fire this tractor up. We are going to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. And here we go. I'm going to turn some lights on. That way you can see all the lights work. There's the 4-ways. And again, this does have that self-leveling loader option on it. There you can see I picked myself up. I'm going to go into low range, 4-wheel drive out. That shows you that that all works. That is low range forward, low range reverse. Again, we have that tilt steering wheel. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change into high range. Put it into float. And again, you can see what that does. It automatically takes and it levels your bucket for you, which is a nice feature on a smaller tractor like this. A very nice feature. I'm going to go ahead and engage the deck. Decked very nice and quiet. take care back up. 3-point hitch up and down. Power steering, very nice and effortless. Level gauge on the bucket. Guys, that's all there is to it. Very nice tractor. You can see that very clean four ways. You got your front corner lights, headlights. Show you here, you got turn signals. Very, very nice clean tractor. Tilt steering wheel. Guys, again, this tractor is serviced and ready to go to work. It is 100% right in time here before long. Let's face it, depends on this weather breaks. We may mow grass first part of April. How do you know? Right in time for spring cleanup. Grass mowing's around the corner again. We've serviced it, went through it. Very good piece of equipment. It is 100% ready to go to work. If you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much. Check it out, Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.